Hey Roxy, it's me. I know you're working from 105.7VX. So when you when you wash your hands after go pee, if you wash your hands, if you soap in water, however, if come over here, if you use this, I guess I'll let the sound to make. Are you ready? Cover your ears. Alright! Woo! So this is making the beautiful sound for you. If you use this, just use your hands over like this. Use your hand over to this, to the other side. I'll show you where the names are. Okay, so when you wash your hands like this, if you're done, flush it, boom. Look at in there, what did you see? Hi. If you use a soap, just use a soap, and then when you're done, just use it. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what the sounds are and to go from there. So just a reminder, I'm getting a new phone on tomorrow. So I will definitely call you Wednesday at 5:25. I won't forget. So what happened is I'm trying to call you on 157VX because your work phone is not working or issues, things like that. Well, just text me whatever. Just make sure, Roxy, just make sure, text me, to play, to play Shine Down for me. I like Stay Out of My Head. It's my biggest favorite. So I have to go. We're in a Waffle House right now, which is my biggest favorite food. So I will see you tomorrow when I get a new phone. I will show you the new AI features. It's got a privacy X-ray, alarm clocks, timers, and a lot of features. So remember, make sure text me whatever or call me whatever. Oh, there's air fixer. Call me whoever, and I will see you then. Make sure though, Roxy. Sorry. Make sure though, just call me or text me, wherever it goes, and it should be good. Alright, see ya.